Hi everyone, it's Angie. I'm in the kitchen and I was doing some playing with some color and I just thought I would show you. I've never done this before, have no idea what I'm doing. It's a total experiment. I was cutting up some red onions this morning and so I thought why not try to save some of that and try to dye some paper. And I've got some cheesecloth here that I want to play with a little bit too. So I'm just going to bring you along here while I do this. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to pour this out. It's a pretty rich, deep purple. I have left this steeping for about 3 hours maybe. And I'm going to add just a little bit of water to that, just a little bit, because I don't want to dilute the color too much. So let's see what we got here. No clue what this is going to look like. I'm going to lay this out on my parchment paper here. I've got a stack of paper. I'm going to lay this out on my parchment paper and then I'll stick it in the oven. That's how I do it. I just take parchment paper and use it over and over again, and I lay it right on the rack in the oven. It's not very purpley. I was hoping for more. Yeah, I was hoping for more color than that. I don't know. Don't know. We'll see. This video may not go up at all. I have no clue. Just thought I was going to be playing, so I might as well turn on the camera. It's just not deep enough to suit me. Maybe I should have left it steep a little bit longer. I don't know. I'm going to stick this in the oven. I've got the oven hot over here. I've got my oven on about 225. And I'm just going to throw that on top of this, or on the top rack there. And we'll see what happens. Let's see about taking this cheesecloth and see what we can do with it. Because what I was thinking, and I don't know if it'll work, but I was thinking about taking some of this paper. What's your angle? Can you see me pretty good? I was thinking about taking this cheesecloth. Let's get it all purpled up here. I'll sop up some of this onion water. That's one thing too. I don't know if this paper will smell like onions. I don't know. But I have found that if you want to make your paper smell, what I do is I take some essential oil of like a lemon or something that you like the smell of, and just put it on a cotton ball and take your paper and put it in a Ziploc baggie. And you know, you don't want to touch your oil to your paper, but put it in there and it'll make your paper smell good. That's what I do. It's just really drab. It almost looks like a brown. It's not really looking purpley like I was hoping. But let's play with this a little bit and see what this will do. Can you see me? This is a whole new setup in the kitchen, so I have no idea. Let's just see. If this does anything. That kind of leaves a little bit of an imprint. Yeah, I think it might work. I'm finding you don't want to press too hard because then the palm of your hand gets the rest of the paper wet and you don't want to do that. So maybe just do that and it'll leave more of an imprint. Let's get another piece of paper and try it. Let's get this a little more wet. What if we kind of done that? Let's see what happens. Kind of I don't know. Let's just go ahead and cover all this. See what that looks like. I'm really kind of disappointed. I was hoping for more purple than what I got. But this is about ready to come out of the oven. It's got 1 minute here. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe I should have left it longer. Put more in there maybe. I don't know. I didn't have a whole lot, so I didn't put much in there. Let's see what this is looking like in the oven. Well, it's interesting, but it's not done yet. Let's put a couple more minutes on there. It's interesting, but it's not very purple. But I think I like it anyway. So let's put this in the oven. I'm just going to use that cheesecloth to dampen the rest of this, because it wasn't really leaving the pattern that I wanted. But yeah, this is how I do it. I just throw it in the oven like this. Then you don't have any pans dirtied up. I just throw it on top of the parchment paper on top of the rack. Well, it's really a strange color. Really strange. Not what I expected at all. It's kind of green. Let's leave it for a minute more. It's got kind of a green cast to it. I don't know. Very weird. Very weird. I'm going to do more though because I like it. So let's do some more. While we've got it. Not waste it. I think I will do some more onion skins, but I need to do more, I think. So it's more concentrated. Maybe less water and more onion skins. Maybe that will work. I'm anxious to show you what this looks like. I hope the camera picks it up. It's kind of an odd color. I smell a little bit of an onion scent, but not bad. I'm just going to kind of take that and puddle it a little bit. Let's throw that in the oven. Let's see if we can get that out now and show it to you. Throw this other 2 pages in. Still a little damp, but that's okay. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a greenish color. Can you see that? Here's the other page. It's still got a little wet, couple wet spots on it. Can you see? I mean, it has a purple cast to it. It definitely has some purple in it. And it also has some green in it, which I did not expect. Interesting. Here's the plain white paper. That might help you see a little bit how green that is. Interesting. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to pause this video because there's a couple other things I want to show you. So let me put this on pause for a minute. So I want to show you what the end result was. I really like it. I've got it up next to white paper so you can see. I do really like it. I think it turned out really pretty. I'm thinking a woodland with that green cast. a woodland journal, it would be great in that. This one is really green. Let me get it up next to the white. It's really green. I love that. I think it really turned out nice. And where it's concentrated, it's pretty purple. It may be hard for you to tell it on there, but it is pretty purple. But I do like it. I think the experiment went well. There's lots of things I want to try to use to dye. I just happen to be cutting that onion up, so. But that's all for today. I've got some other things I'm going to show you, but I think I'm going to do it in a different video. So, but try this. It was fun. Looks good. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.